let's simplify this mathematical expression. We are given 3 plus parenthesis 5 minus 4 times 5 plus 3 squared. Now let's use PEMDAS, okay? PEMDAS. So the first one stands for parenthesis. That's the same as bracket. And we have exponent, okay? We have multiplication, we have division, we have addition, and we have subtraction. So do we have any parentheses in? Yes. So 3 plus, so this side is 1 times 5 plus 3 squared. The next one is exponent, so we have this one here, 3 plus 1 times 5 plus 9. 3 squared is 9. And we have multiplication, we have this. So 3 plus 1 times 5 is 5 plus 9. So everything, we have the same sign here. So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9 is 17. Alright, thanks for watching.